If you still think it's a good idea to be answering cops' questions, then this video is for you.
You come talk to me real quick? Where you stay at? Where's not too far from here? Where's your jacket at? Did you just come out of that car out there? Where'd you come from right now? What else? Where'd you get the scratch at? Why y'all dirty? What's your name? All right, put your hands right back for me.
He said, no, it's not him. That hurts. That does hurt.
Well, you're under arrest, okay?
All right, the easy takeaway of this video is never talk to cops. Secondarily, even if you know how to talk to cops, it's probably a good idea not to talk to cops since they're going to use whatever you say against you, because that's what they're doing.
I was a criminal defense attorney when I was in private practice. I'm not ashamed to say I'm proud of the Fifth Amendment. I'm proud to admit on camera and on the internet that I will never talk to any police officer under any circumstances. The Fifth Amendment to the United States Constitution provides, no person shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. I've often asked other criminal defense attorneys, in all of your experience, have you ever once had a case where you looked back in hindsight and said, thank God my client talked to the police? They laugh at me. They laugh at me. They say, you've got to be kidding me. You cannot help you. You can't talk your way out of getting arrested. Everything you tell the police, as the saying goes, can and will be used against you, but it cannot be used for you.
I mean, let's face it, cops are always looking for ways to validate their existence. And if that means taking away your freedoms in the process so that they can elevate their own sense of self-importance, that's what they're going to do. In this video right here, this was taken by body cam on January 17th, 2024 by the Tallahassee Police Department. They spotted a vehicle that was reported stolen. Upon initiating a traffic stop, the vehicle quickly veered into a yard and the subject fled on foot. Officers later located KT, who we're going to see later in the video. He calls himself Cavante Times. He's a suspect who's out of breath walking down a nearby road toward the officers, which is super important. The officers believe they have sufficient identifying evidence despite witnesses stating that KT was not the suspect driving the vehicle. You don't want to confuse cops with the facts. Let's watch this.
What's your 20?
Go, straight back.
What's the record on my deal? Kevin. Right there, Pepper. Well, black and gray hoodie. The hood was gray over his head.
Hey. Hey. You guys know whose car this is?
No, I just looked out the window. I heard my sister pull up.
Okay.
And I seen the car behind hers.
Okay.
I saw the guy get out and
You did?
locked the door.
Okay, are you guys okay? No one tried to get in the house today? Okay, so ladies, stolen vehicle. One of my guys was pulling up, and then it pulled up into this yard, and then dude ran. We didn't know if he went in the house or...
No, nobody came in.
You guys are okay?
Yeah, nobody came in here.
I was sitting in the car, so when I got out the car, he didn't know I was in here. When I got out the car, he got out and he looked at me. And
said, description: black guy, white guy, Hispanic guy. Black guy. Did you see what he was wearing?
I saw glasses. All I saw and a hoodie.
Yeah, a hoodie.
What color hoodie?
Green, olive, maybe black. I was looking out the window through the tree right
Did you
here.
see there?
Black.
It was a black hoodie.
Yeah, and I saw glasses. That's all I could see.
Hang on one second, ladies. Okay, stolen car. Give me just a minute, dear. We'll try to get you guys out, but... Hey, man, are you working?
Yes, sir. We're supposed to be working at this end.
Hey, is there somewhere else you could pull over while I got to deal with this stolen vehicle right now? Or come back in a minute or something?
Is it fine if we call the landlord and see what to do?
Yes, please.
So they gotta get
because this is a stolen vehicle and we're about to have traffic from the school coming through.
Hey, how's it going, man? You come talk to me real quick? Where you stay at?
Huh?
Where you stay at? Can you hands out your pockets for me?
Huh?
Hands out your pockets for me. Where you stay at?
I stay not too far from here.
Where's not too far from here?
Right here in Bradford Oaks.
Where's your jacket at?
At this point, these cops have already considered KT guilty before he has a chance to prove his innocence. And he won't be able to prove his innocence.
What jacket?
Did you just come out of that car out there? No. Be honest with me.
No, I did not. I swear.
Where'd you come from right now?
I was just talking to the guy that worked right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Where'd you get the scratch at?
What scratch?
On your eye.
Probably for rugby.
All right. Why y'all dirty?
Because I was just working.
Working for who?
I work for a lot of people in this world because I do landscaping.
What's your name?
TK.
TK what?
TK.
All right, put your hands right back for me.
What?
Don't.
Why y'all arresting me?
Don't.
That's why you not only don't answer questions, you assert your rights and you show them that you have some measure of intelligence. Hey, this is not a consensual encounter, officer. I right now invoke my Fifth Amendment right to be silent, my unalienable rights as outlined in the Bill of Rights. Period. Because every time you say something, every time you open their mouth, you're just giving them ammunition that they can and will and desire to use against you.
What I do?
You will go to the ground.
What I do?
You will go to the ground.
Why y'all arresting me?
Put your hand behind your back.
Don't resist.
Hey, stop.
Let's do it, sir. I didn't do nothing, though.
Stop.
What y'all arresting me for nothing?
We're gonna figure that out.
Why y'all doing this? I'm just walking down the street.
His hand's all cut like he went over that fence. This is him.
No, it's not.
Stop.
Why y'all? What are y'all doing?
You will get dropped. You
I
understand me?
did nothing, sir. Dude, I did nothing wrong. Why y'all?
Hey, we're 1015. This is gonna be our guy. He's got a
didn't
cut
do
on his hand like he
anything,
went over the
sir.
fence.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, where's your jacket?
What jacket? I don't have a jacket.
Okay, let's walk. Walk over
Why
there.
is y'all arresting me? I'm just walking down the street. Y'all serious right now?
Against the car.
They'll also take your elevated voice as an indicator that you're guilty.
Bro, I did nothing wrong.
Your 1015?
Y'all serious
Yeah,
right
it's
now?
simple.
What y'all doing? I'm gonna go and walking down the street.
Okay, you can play that game.
I'm not playing no game. So I did nothing wrong.
Are you good? I'm gonna walk back here and see if his jacket's down here.
What ticket?
Just hang tight with him.
What are you talking about?
Hey, so what's your name? Javante. All right, my name's Officer Fisher. All right, obviously we're for the police department. All right. Just had a stolen vehicle and someone run from me. All right. Pants and shoes match what you're wearing. All right. They jumped a fence in the backyard. You got a cut on your hand that's consistent with jumping a fence. All right. I've been doing this job for quite a while.
That cut on your hand, that's consistent with jumping a fence. I've unpacked groceries and had a cut on my hand. I've worked on vehicles and had a cut on my hand. I have played with my kids and got a cut on my hand. There's a lot of things you can do to get a cut in your hand, but for this officer, that's consistent with jumping a fence. Got a whole lot of evidence right there, officer. And have you ever noticed that you lose your rights while they're trying to figure things out?
All right. I wasn't born at night. All right. You know, I wasn't born last night.
I didn't do anything, sir.
Okay.
I never been arrested before in my life.
I wasn't born at night. Oh, wait a minute. I was born at night, but I wasn't born last night. That's it. God.
I never been arrested.
So we're not going to find your jacket back there in the backyard?
I don't have a jacket, sir.
Okay. So where are you coming from right now? Right before...
I was walking up the street. I was just walking up the street. Then I started talking to that dude.
Okay. Where were you walking? Where were you walking to?
I was just walking. I was actually looking for some wood.
Okay. Why wouldn't you give me your name then if everything's on... I'm just curious.
What you mean I want to give you my name?
You just said TK. What's TK?
That's what my nickname.
Okay.
That's what the people call me.
All right.
You didn't ask for my full name. My name is Kevonte Symes.
Okay. So, if we do a DNA test in that stolen car, your DNA is not going to be in there?
No, sir. You can go ahead. I didn't touch nobody's car, bro.
Okay. I'm going to read you this, all right? Because I'm going to ask you some pointy questions. You're in custody, all that stuff, all right?
I'm in custody?
Yeah. You're in handcuffs in the back of a car, right? You're being detained.
Yeah, but if you read my rights, then I'm being arrested.
No, not necessarily.
How?
It's because I have to inform you of your Fifth Amendment right, okay?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say...
There's two guys from Keith McNeil Plumbing here, so they got a good look at the suspect's face. You want to do a show up with them?
That would be awesome, yes.
Now watch this.
You going to say anytime to exercise
If
your
somebody
rights?
can whip over here, there's two guys, 10-12.
And not answer any questions or make any statements? You understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, sir.
All right, before I come and talk to you, did you request anybody to talk to a lawyer? Have you asked for a lawyer yet before this?
One if you tell me what to do the
All
other.
right, having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me about what's going on?
I don't know what's going on.
All right. Yes or no? Do you want to talk to me about what's going on? So I can.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wrong answer. Wrong answer. Whoever happens to be watching my video right here, you have got to understand. It's got to be burned deep down inside of your heart that the cops have proven. It's not, don't take my word for it. The cops have proven that they're not on your side. When they collect evidence from you, when they mine the data that's coming out of your mouth, it will not work in your favor. It's going to work in the cops' favor because when they make an arrest, they get accolades. They get awards. Sometimes there's competitions. They get plaques on the wall. That's what they care about. They want the attaboys. They don't care what comes out of your mouth because what comes out of your mouth is irrelevant to them. They just want to take you in.
Next one, can one of you guys come back here and help?
Yeah,
I'm on my way back.
just had someone in a stolen car run from me. Okay?
Understood, sir.
You're in the area. You have a cut on your hand. The person jumped the fence, okay? Where you got your cut on your hand is consistent with somebody who would have cut their hand jumping the fence. Okay? Now, you self-admittedly, you don't live in this area. Okay? It sounds like you live at the training center? Okay. When I get out with you, I ask you for your name. Now, and I don't mean this with hold on. I don't mean this with any disrespect, but I don't know you. So why would I want your nickname?
I mean, it just...
Do you have some stupid warrant you're worried about?
Spoken with customer service. They don't think that that's somebody who works here.
I just told you. Phone to kill us. Phone. Yes, sir.
All right, step out for me. Step out.
This is where the guys in that plumbing truck.
Just look that way. Look at that car.
See this car right here? They're trying to identify this guy. They're going to come around twice, second time.
All right, have a seat.
Going back and forth between yes and no, we and negative.
Simple. Hey, go talk to that pest control guy if you would, please, because he was talking to him and see if he knows.
Talking to him?
Yeah, they were talking when I first saw him walking down the street.
I was just asking him about the job. That's
Right, I got you. Well, when you're playing decoy and trying to avoid the cops, you kind of start having conversations.
I'm not trying to avoid y'all. I stopped you.
Hey, Fisher. They didn't talk about much, but he said that he was completely out of breath.
Okay, simple. Hey, so we're gonna continue lying, like I'm stupid.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay, you're okay.
Alright, just put it.
Step out.
Told you.
Let's look at that car.
This is them coming around again to try to identify.
Please, 629 now, dispatch. Yeah, well, 632, please. Terrible.
All right, let me see.
Listen.
Alright, he says he doesn't know.
Okay, simple.
He said
Are you still sticking to your story?
That's what 340 just was.
the people who tried to identify say that they don't know, but there was another witness who says, nope, it wasn't him, but these cops don't care.
Over to Northwest.
You still sticking to your story?
I didn't do anything, sir. I'm just walking down the street, man.
So what you thinking? We don't have enough for it?
Yes.
You do?
Yep. Based on, he was out of breath up there. The pants and shoes match from what I remember seeing because my camera got covered by the jacket.
From what I remember, but that's not evidence. Pants and shoes match. That's pretty nondescript. That's pretty general. And they're just laughing while a guy's sitting in the back of the cop car with no freedom.
He's got the cut on the hand, which is consistent with coming over the fence. I didn't hit the lights. I just hurried up and got there. So I got a question for you. There's video over there at the house. Sees you walking through the garage.
There goes a lie.
The garage.
Are you?
You see me?
Yeah. Are we still gonna play dumb?
They will lie to you. They will engage in any form of deception to get you to believe that they know that you're the criminal. So go ahead and cop to it. I wasn't born last night.
You sure it's me?
You're in handcuffs, right?
You been had me in handcuffs.
You're in handcuffs. It had to be you. And you've been in jail for 43 years, Kevin Strickland. It had to be you. Come to find out, he wasn't guilty of the triple homicide, but he's been in a Missouri jail for 43 years anyway. You're in handcuffs. Of course it's you. We don't ever make any mistakes. We have a God complex because we are gods.
You're still saying you had nothing to do with that stolen car.
Yeah, I'm telling you, I didn't steal any car.
Okay. How'd you get the car then?
What car?
Come on, man. Like I'm trying to be straight up with you, right?
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Okay. So we're still gonna play you cut your hand on some branches that I saw you picking up that you didn't even
do anything, sir.
Okay. Well, you're under arrest. Okay.
For what?
Grand theft motor vehicle and providing false information to law enforcement.
You have no proof of that. I didn't do anything.
Okay. Okay. You'll have your day in court.
So you just gonna arrest me anyways?
Because I have probable cause to believe you stole that vehicle.
You have zero probable cause. You don't even have reasonable articulable suspicion from Terry v. Ohio. Give me a freaking break.
Oh, all I was doing walking down the street.
I saw you run from the car.
Well, you did it.
What a lie.
I didn't see you run from nowhere.
Right.
Listen, okay, this is very important. Listen to what this black cop says. And before you say, this is racism, man, they're just going against the black. There's a black guy involved in this. It's not racism. It's authoritarianism. Listen to this.
This case, apparently your neither showed up. And then he show up.
Yeah.
He said, no, it's not him. The one said, I'm not 100% sure.
They said, no, it's not him. Listen to what this cop says.
That hurts. That does hurt.
That does hurt. Oh, that hurts. Doggone it. We wanted it to be him. They said it's not him, huh? Well, I'll tell you what. I'll just go ahead and release him. Nope, that's not what they said. They're going to take him in anyway.
That hurts. But
they also...
Listen to this again. Okay, I need to stop interrupting. Here we go.
I'm not 100% sure. That hurts. That does hurt. That hurts. But
they also said that he was wearing a white hoodie, the one they saw. And he definitely was not.
Kelly was charged with...
So there you go. Grand theft of a motor vehicle, fraud, impersonating false ID given to law enforcement officer, resisting officer without violence. You got to be careful what you say to cops. This is the City of Tallahassee Police Department Facebook page. I will leave this link in the description along with this original video, which, by the way, credit to where credit is due. This comes from Arrest Cam. If you visit them, it looks like they're an up-and-coming channel. They have 9.35 thousand subscribers. I really appreciate them releasing this to us. Tell them, here's the deal sent you. Again, the key takeaway of this is never talk to police. They are not your friends. Whatever you say can and will be used against you in a court of law, and they intend to take you before the magistrate. It's better that 9 guilty men go free than that 1 innocent man lose his rights. The only problem is with law enforcement in their minds, it's better that 100 innocent men be caged than that 1 guilty man go free. Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comment section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification icon. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. That's highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a hard-hitting conversation-starting shirt from the store. Become a channel member, but more importantly, understand what your rights are and flex your rights. If you don't exercise your rights, you will lose them. Freedom is dangerous. The only thing more dangerous is not having it. I will see you in the next video.